Okay, so this is a video about a job we did about 5-6 years ago. Excavator bucket broke off the arm on this John Deere excavator at a transfer station. The funny thing is, it was the second time this happened, so we went to repair it. Started off with cleaning up both the stick and the bucket pivot point. Here you could see us lining it up. Here we are about to tack it in place. Pretty good fit up all the way around, ground nice and clean. So here we are tacking it in place, and we eventually removed the bucket from the stick. Here we are running some of the first beads. That's a Lincoln Welding power 225. So here's some of the finished welds. It was all done with 7018 Excalibur. We put some strapping around the pivot point for added strength. We heated this up and hammered it flat to get a little bit tighter fit up. Here's another video during the process. We had to move the stick in all different positions to be able to weld it. Here's some more shots of the welding. And here's a bunch of finished shots. We put a lot of welds on there, and as far as I know, it held up for a while. I haven't heard anything, at least. Came out pretty good. Multiple passes in some areas. Again, all 7018. And here's the final product. Testing out the bucket to make sure it's not binding. Job came out pretty good. I think it took us about 6 hours, maybe. You can see the excavators had better days. A lot of hours on that thing. Thanks for watching.